Check out these cedar tree skirts on these trees. They're quick and easy to make, and here's how I made them. You're going to want to start with 2 cedar picket fences. They're 5.5 inches wide, 6 feet long. Rip those cedar pickets into 4 strips each. Then those are going to get cut into 20 planks, 5 for each side. The cutoffs, they're going to get used too. Line up 5 strips evenly. In the center of that, use the scrap cutoff to attach the strips together. And do this for all 4 sides. I recommend using the cedar pickets. They weather well, they look good, and this whole project costs less than $6 to make. Next, nail 1 corner block to one end of each of the 4 sides. Next, line 2 panels up. The first end without the corner block butts against the other panel's corner block. Mark where you need to put a vertical strip in on that end and then attach it with your nailer. Now that that's done, I'm going to join 2 sides together, and that's going to make 2 sets of 2. After that, they simply slide together around the base of the tree, and they give you that look that we're looking for. They can be sealed if you like, but you don't have to. So what do you think? Quick and easy? Total cost was around $6. Do you like the look? Is it a thumbs up or a thumbs down? Anyway, thanks for watching. Hey, I got to show you what we're going to do next. I'm taking one of these crusty old doors and I'm making something special out of it. It's almost finished and I cannot wait for you to see it.